Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus 21,999. What's new? Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus, the budget-friendly smartphone. Xiaomi is working on the new Redmi phone. Build OS Android 12 Go Edition. UI MIUI 12. Dimension 164.9 x 76.75 x 9.09 mm. Weight 192 gram. Dual SIM, dual standby nano SIM. Color light green, light blue, black. Frequency 2G band, 3G band, 4G band, 4G LTE band. Processor CPU 2.0 GHz quad core Cortex A53. Chipset MediaTek MT6761 Helio A22 12 nanometer. Power VR GE6300. Display technology IPS LCD. Capacity touchscreen 16 megapixel. Color multi-touch. Size 6.53 inches. Resolution 720 x 1600 pixels. Extra feature 400 nits type. Built-in 32 GB memory and 2 GB RAM. Card micro X SDXC dedicated. Camera dual camera 8 megapixel plus wide हो गया. 0.3 megapixel dual LED flash. Feature face detection, geo tagging, touch focus, face detection, video 1080p 30 fps. Front 5 megapixel HDR video 1080p 30 fps. Connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi hotspot. Bluetooth V5.0 with A to D PLE. GPS yes plus A GPS support and GLONASS PDS FM radio micro USB 2.0 GPRS Edge 3G 5.76 Mbps 4G LTE feature sensor accelerometer fingerprint rear mounted audio jack 3.5mm audio jack 24-bit divided by 192 kHz audio speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view. MMS. Email push. Mail IM. Games built-in plus downloaded. Torch yes. Extra feature. Photo. Video editor. Document viewer. Capacity 5000 mAh. Non-removable battery. Battery charging 10 watt and price in rupees 21,999 PKR. Price in USD $99.28 USD. Rating 5 star based on 6 user reviews. Here is the what news section. Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus, the budget-friendly smartphone. Xiaomi is working on the new Redmi Xiaomi A1 Plus, the budget-friendly smartphone. Xiaomi is working on the Redmi A1, which got a moniker plus at the end. The company is launching a new device in its a series of the smartphone. The newcomers will be the budget-friendly phone and will be named as the Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus. The smartphone is the most powerful chipset as to give the more power to the handset has a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor as inside Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus to make the device ultra fast. And also there is a GPU of power VR GE630 under the blood of the smartphone. This display screen size of the smartphone is 6.53 inches. It will provide the user with the full HD plus the resolution of 720 x 1600 pixel. The new Xiaomi A1 has an IPS LCD capacity touchscreen display with an outstanding result.